This is BAU Medicine. If you want to turn dreams into reality, you are in the right place. One day, you will leave here not only as a good physician, but as a skilled and capable scientist. Maybe you will become a doctor who touches hearts. You will shape the future of anatomy. You will face every challenge, accept no limits. The passion within you will always push you forward. Achieving the impossible will define your spirit. You will become a rising star of medicine. One day, we will no longer need today, and you will be the mind of progress. Advanced technologies, research and practice centers, experienced academic staff, access to the scientist selection program, and fully equipped laboratories await you at BAU Medicine. At the BAU Medicine Clinical Skills Laboratory, you will practice clinical applications in a safe environment. In OSCE stations with simulated clinical settings, you will develop core medical competencies. You will take part in individual and group studies in student work and social areas. You will benefit from libraries located on campus and within the hospital. This is the right place to become an international medical professional, studying and conducting research at leading hospitals and laboratories in the USA, Europe, and the Far East, such as Harvard, Yale, Charité Universitätsmedizin Berlin, and RIKEN. Isn't that inspiring? Bahçeşehir University, a world university in the heart of Istanbul,